everyone, it's D here. Welcome back to my lovely channel. Today I'm taking you through my full adventure at Habitation of Hope here in Zimbabwe. Yes guys, explore your countries and discover the joy they instill there. So here I've got to explore the rooms, play the activities. You guys, it's a campsite, so I have to do all the kinds of activities, and I looked it up on Google and I saw that the place is greenery. I love nature guys, so you only have to stay tuned. The night experience at the bonfire was my favorite, so you better like this video and subscribe before you experience what was to come. So yeah, let's go guys. So the first thing we had to do after we arrived was to unpack our luggages, our suitcases. So I had to remove my uniforms and then place them under my bunk bed because there was no one sleeping there, because I didn't have to keep them for the next 2 days in the suitcase because they'll get wrinkled, and which I don't have time for to iron these uniforms, so I had to put them there. A house tour was the first thing I was supposed to give you guys when I stepped in this place, but now let me just give you right now. This is the bunk beds we're going to sleep on. This is the toilet, and then we have a mirror, and then we have the shower where they have a geyser for cold and hot water. We have a sink and then another mirror. It's quite beautiful, but then I would prefer the outside is more beautiful than the inside. We also had this activity called chair something, I can't remember the real name. It taught us to have balance, but mainly it was teaching us to have support for each other and communication so that we don't fall, but then we can stick together. We have focus on what you are doing, supporting each other, and then giving us communication as well. So now we're waiting for our coach to come, and then I bumped into these two nerdy content creators. The video is big. Yeah, bro. Bro, we don't say who you were, but you. Come back to me, no. We are good at ZIM, we are good at Miss Green, we are at D-Drinker Vlogs. Welcome guys to my channel. This is D-Drinker. Please subscribe to my channel. No, Magu Invader Vlogram. Who Invader Vlogram? They are doing a little bit of fun activity. Where? Swimming in the pool. Yeah. Hello.
A long jump.
What do you mean?
Let us show you.
No, don't want to dance. Good dive in. The can't no. But it's not deep and Muzona. It is deep. Maybe in the shelter I said deepness. Finish that diving. 9. So for our first activity of the day, we played this game called Tunnel Something, where one of your team is to run anti-clockwise and then pass through your man-made tunnel. Take as many shoes as he or she can, and then the more you take, the more you win. Coach was telling us some lessons we should adopt, the teachings we should learn from the activities that we've done, and then they are mainly teamwork, communication, support, focus, and all that stuff. So it was now waffling, and then it was kind of boring. That's why people are now quiet.
Wind is blowing.
So this is how the game is played. The DJ stops the music, and then when he does, and then you're holding the ball in your hand, you lose. So you have to focus on the song as well as the movement of the ball, so that when the music stops, you make sure that you're not holding the ball. And then that is what I did, which made me and my team win at the end. No, I wasn't supposed to tell you that. People kept on being eliminated, and then now I was getting cold feet, guys, but I was so excited. And then my teammates, they're also supporting me, and then we're doing our war cry. Our team was called the Leo Titans Leo. And guys, I managed to get into the semi-finals of this game. Really good at it, and then I was so nervous at first, but I was so excited that I was going to win. I was so optimistic, like you can see.